Git is one of the first tools every developer should install. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Git on your Windows PC. So open your web browser. In the search bar, type Git download, then press enter. Click on the first result from git-scm.com. On this page, you'll see download options for different operating systems. If you're using Windows, click on the Windows download link. Git installer will now start downloading to your computer. Once download is complete, open your Downloads folder and locate the installer. Then double-click on Installer to launch the setup. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes to continue. After reading the welcome information, click Next. The default installation location is perfectly fine, so click on Next. When it comes to selecting components, feel free to add a shortcut to your desktop if you'd like. Then click Next. For remaining installation options, simply keep the default settings and click on Next. Then click Install. Installation process will now begin, and this may take a few moments, so just wait until it's finished. Once installation is complete, if you selected Desktop Shortcut option, you'll see Git Shortcut on your desktop. Now let's make sure Git was installed successfully. To check that, open up a command prompt. Type in command to check the version and hit enter. If you see Git version pop up, and then, when you type Git and hit enter, you get all this information showing up, that's your confirmation. Git has been successfully installed on your computer. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.